Hi, my name's Darren Crannis and I'm a technical manager here at the ECA. Today I'm going to talk to you about BS 7909 and that relates to the code of practice that has recently been updated by the BSI relating to temporary installations, especially for entertainment purposes.
Welcome to Industry Focus, the latest updates from your ECA experts addressing key member concerns and industry issues.
So if you are involved in these typically outdoor or indoor installations which fall outside of BS 7671, so they're for temporary events, large events, small scale events, even temporary little additions, which are normally what we call plug and sockets, that really falls in scope of BS 7909, then we have some certificates available especially for you. And they're available to download from our suite of certificates from our technical websites. So if you are involved in temporary installations and you need to certify your installations, then please visit www.eca.co.uk/technical and download those certificates.